Time of joy, a time of peace, a time when hearts are then set free, a time to heal the wounds of division. It's a time of grace, a time of hope, a time of sharing the gifts we have, a time to build the world that is one. It's the time to give thanks to the Father, Son, and Spirit, and with Mary, our Mother, we sing this song. Open your hearts to the Lord and begin to see the mystery that we are all together as one family. No more walls, no more chains, no more selfishness and closed doors, for we are in the fullness of God's time. It's the time of the great Jubilee. It's a time of prayer, a time of praise, a time to lift our hands to God, a time to recall all our graces. It's a time to touch, a time to reach those hearts that often wander, a time to bring them back to God's embrace. It's the time to give thanks to the Father, Son, and Spirit, and with Mary, our Mother, we sing